Ou à Amérique, ou à président Joe Biden.
Message ça c'est pour tout le monde qui peut qu'on sponsor.
Spark is back for real. And everywhere, passports and ends. Security inside, we follow no restrictions also. We full joy and power with the balance house families. Bring your life is salvation. Joe Biden, thank you. President Joe Biden. We are it. We must are it. President Joe Biden. We are it. We must are it. Oh yeah. We are it. We must are it. Put our flags in there. Haitian flags on top. Put all passports in there. Haitian pass on top. Authorizations in there. We've got tickets inside. Power programs in there. Travel to Miami. With this Biden's program. They say good families. With this power program. USA is easy. With this super program. Parents support parents. And this hopeful program. Parents sitting parents. Watch out, damn. USA we go. Our passports we need to Miami. We fly. Our tickets we buy to we try higher every day. Women is us every. And though we are qualified, they think Natalie. Joe Biden think we are it. Joe Biden think we must are it. Joe Biden think we are it. Oh yeah. No we hold on. Our passports we need. Cost $1,000. Scamming, not scamming. Anywhere we go. Terrible mother. They asking for sex. All trying weapons. Jump to Miami. With this lucky program. Men are feeling for men. With this freedom program. Women feel for women. USA program. They discover best friends. With this Biden's program. Parents who do parents. With black magic them. To our corruptions. Our passports we need to go. Asian bosses will not have to do progressing. They asking for overall and also time when they going for in my college wine. We are here. We must are here. We are here. We must are here. Oh yeah. We are here. We must are here. Yes, to dramatize it. The system of changing. To qualify young people. Never would find job. 80 years of people. I got some presidents. And the last one who's finally employed is not a piece of cake. With this freedom program. Ladies lose their husband. With this fitness program. Husbands lose their ladies. With USA program. Boyfriends with girlfriends. And this famous program. Sweetheart lose their boo-boos. Damn! Dexter! Our country is moving. Where we reaching? Will they let us go in? The aggregation is destroying. Our ourselves in China. Bengals and Fulani. See the ball being they bomb. They put them shotguns. Joe Biden think we are it. We are it. We must are it. We are it. We must are it. Oh yeah. We really decided to go to USA until Imokali or into Miami to walk out in the fields and sunshine and the cold and also in the snow and heading for families with this easy program. All families will be empty with different test program. There will be no more food with this warning program. There will be fairly pools with this food program. Alcohol more expensive, school low rates, only on site with doctors, gangsters, with black magic kill on police. Churches provide nation, government's fighting, that's police and guess what? And Joe Biden think we are it, we must are it, we are it, we must are it. Dr. Gabo, good job, Joe Biden. They don't pay the doctors, but people suffering, they respect the country, and also the voodoo, with panic everywhere, with warning and shooting, teachers don't pay also, and students receive bonus. With this Biden program, all Haitians have it, with this family program, all moms will be happy, with the different program. Watch us cause I agree, with the travel program, not just cause I feel yours. They didn't know, if you are serious and President Joe Biden, with this free travel program, would reach them. Yeah, here we go. Shake a leg. And this free trip program, to leave them all alone, and their awful, dread-like situations country. President Joe Biden, you're before, and all Asian people behind you, good just for us, and all progressives and human rights organizations are with you. Uloloi. We are here. We are here. Pastor Vital, Vice President KAMALA Harris. Welcome, Cops. Gina Amazing Grace. Vicky Babek Shop. MCG Miami.